Okay. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the live YouTube. So here we focus on trading gold from NYSE Open to London close. The focus is discipline and build consistency over time. If that's something that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's do our daily analysis. So today we can see that the daily candle broke this low and came down here to the support, and right now it looks like we are rejecting the support to push up, right? So on H4 candle, we rejected this support here heavily, and it looked like some sort of retracement is due. So we need to find some sort of counter trend trade setup, right, in this area in the lower time frame to push up eventually. So on 1 hour, we can see that we broke above this resistance, which is good. So anything above this area is a buy. So the trend or the bias is bullish. And on 30 minutes, so we broke above here. Price moved from here, so we were not at the chart to take this trade, but now we need to wait for some sort of retracement support to push up, since the bias is bullish, and that's the only thing we will be focusing on and wait for. Also, maybe a close back inside this range can be a fake out, so we'll see, but the buy has a higher probability. So let's just wait. So Shakil, Himvan Sharma, we have a new guest.
Hey, hi everyone.
I'm fine, you?
I'm good.
Good.
How's it doing?
Sorry?
He's my gym mate.
He's your gym mate?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So you have a new gym mate every day, Mr. Amal?
No, old gym mate.
Where is
Anurag
Anurag?
joining soon.
Joining soon. Okay.
Brother,
So-
look at GJ.
You guys are building
Muscles.
you are building muscles.
Yeah.
Good. So on GJ, let's see GJ quickly. So GJ is reaching this area on daily pushed up, and we are reaching this resistance here. So on H4, okay, we are kind of losing volume. Maybe we can have some sort of retracement since the daily reached this resistance area, and H4 also moved too much from here, right? So maybe we have the same thing on GJ. Now let's see if we have some sort of structure, and now we can see that we have a resistance here, right? We have a resistance here, and above this resistance, so it's difficult. We have these wicks, which is 33 pip away. Okay, that's good. And we have this support. So on GJ, below this support will be great. We have 115 pip range below this support. That's great on GJ. That will be great. Yeah, let's do that. This range is 50 pip range, 60 pip range. So I guess break above here we have 30 pip, below here we have 112 pip. So they sell. Oh, this is a 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour is much cleaner. So on 30 minute, so we have some problems here. But I guess with volume maybe we can push down. We'll see. 1 hour was beautiful. So on daily, H4, this was London session. This one was a nice buy. Yo, GJ is crazy. Look at this 1 hour time frame. You have a 22 pip stop loss on 1 hour time frame. Very slow. Yeah, the break above this area was good. 15 pip stop loss to the moon. Yeah, I'm not interested in GJ. I prefer dear gold. So 30 minute candle close with rejection, which is good. It came back to the entry point. So 15 minute having this structure. So we need to wait now for something. There is nothing yet. Shakil, how are you? How was your weekend? You are silent today. What's going on? Did you trade today?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
No, I didn't take any trade today. I just joined.
Oh, you just joined. Good.
M30 is closing back into the range. H1 is giving a big rejection.
Yeah.
Maybe it could push down to retest the lows.
Yeah, possible. Let's wait and see. Also, this cannot just push up without making a bottom wick. So for me, probably we can come down, make a bottom wick, and start breaking this again to push up. So that's also a possibility. Because we broke this, we haven't made any bottom wick. Maybe this is coming down to have some sort of bottom wick here and start breaking again. Maybe that's where we can have our time. Because look at this move on H4, price just moved, right? It moved like 1000 pips, 1200 pip based on daily. So I guess daily start here, somewhere here. We got a gap first and then yeah, from here. So how far can we go down again? We got a big move down. I guess some sort of retracement is due on H4. Also, we are rejecting these supports. We are rejecting these areas. So for me, if we come down to make a bottom wick and start breaking this high again, maybe that's where we can push up. But anything is possible. Sales also can happen.
Clean day, no news.
No news today, yeah. So 9:30 upon us. Oh, Lee, it looked like S&P jumped. Wow. It looked like we got a jump. So yeah. Wow, this is jumping. Everything jumped. Yeah, SPY jumped like 2%. Also, the gold opened with a gap today. Wow, Nvidia jumped 4%. Tesla 5%. Wow, the market is healthy this morning. Meta 5%. Amazon 7%. Crazy. Unicorn play. Bitcoin is also pushing up. Bitcoin is back to 100k. Man, crazy, man. Crazy. Bitcoin is not trying to slow down. Not trying to slow down at all. Anurag is in the room. In the room, Mr. Anurag.
Anurag, the Profcom killer.
Yeah, he's having a payout this week.
Maybe. Yeah.
You are also killing, Mr. Amal. So you are second phase on 100k and live 60k. That's great.
Yeah.
Now you are in a position to print money, real money. You just need to take another of your big trades. Another one of your big trades.
$100 juicer.
$100 juicer. Oh, this is pushing up again. There is nothing. I was hoping to have a nice move here today. Hopefully we can have the opportunity. Maybe if the 30-minute cannot close, I don't know how it's gonna present itself. It's a little bit.
No stop.
Yeah, but it's fine. It's fine. We need to wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and maybe a break above here we can push up. Maybe.
15 structures there.
I'm not watching the 15 minutes, bro. I'm not gonna confuse myself with 15 minutes. I don't need to rush anything. Even if 15-minute push up, I don't care. I don't care. Missing that. I'm gonna wait for my trade. This is exactly waiting for my trade exactly bring me to this 3% profit. Why will I change the strategy? Why? I'm just gonna wait for my trade. This week will be great. You know why? Mr. Amol. Because this week we are going to take one of the most legendary trades taken live.
Okay.
This week.
Nice.
It's gonna be great. A unicorn. No, not a unicorn, but what is below a unicorn? Legendary trade. Juicy legendary trade. 100 pip banger.
Wow.
This week we'll have that. Inshallah. It's gonna be great. .15 candle closed. I'm pretty sure Amol is watching that.
Always.
MP3. So 30-minute candle close. We wick down. We form this structure on 15 minutes. MP3. it can work, but still it's not my trade because stop loss is like 44 pip. Right, I'm gonna wait. Breaking within the, yeah, it can work, but I'm staying away. It wick down and breaking after the structure. Right, it's possible, but I'm staying away. Amol is in. Now he's silent. And he's not gonna talk to anyone before he closes the trade.
Correct.
Amol is in now. Let's go. 10 pips. 10 pips.
Yeah,
Secured. Wow. Why you didn't held it a little bit? At least to fill this week.
No. 15, 6 or 17 pips.
That's it. Okay. Wow. He was afraid. He was afraid. Good. You see, you miss out on 30 pip move. And this was on 100k count or 60k count?
100.
And what was the lot size?
10.
So you couldn't take 5 lots, right?
No. Waste of time.
Waste of time. Okay, good. Now you are back in profit. Right?
Yeah, break even.
Okay, you were down 2%.
Almost.
Okay, now you are break even.
Yeah, runner got stopped out.
Okay. This is why I didn't want to take it risky. I want, when I take a trade, I want it to just continue to go to the target. That's why I'm very strict on the rules. I just want it to go straight to the target.
Human भी secure किए क्या?
Secured.
बढ़िया.
Oh. Himvan also took the trade?
Yeah.
With you?
Yeah.
We took a trade on 15.
Yeah, I don't like the 15-minute trades. But it's fine. Also the stop loss was too big for me. Look
40
at this.
pips.
Yeah, 40 pips is too big for me. Too big. For me, stop loss is max 30 pip. What if you take the full stop loss? That's the question. And how often also, 40 pip stop loss. If you take the full stop loss, you are now stuck with 4% loss. So
if it flips and breaks its own body, I'll close 50% there.
Yes, anyway, it's still a big loss, right? So
3% loss. 3%.
Let's say 3% loss.
3%
so
loss.
three something loss. So how often do you get trade that give you, let's say, 60 pip or 50 pip? Because that's what you need to take on your next trade or in the next couple of trade to make up for that loss. How often do you take those kind of trade? It's very rare. Very, very rare. So now you're gonna be stuck in drawdown. And even if you take the same lot size again and you take another loss, another 3%, you see how your drawdown gets bigger quickly. That's the thing. And when you win, you are securing 17 pips, 15 pips. For me, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk.
I will be right back in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. So this week down and it's continue. It reacted to this week, and I think we're gonna push up now. This is crazy. Yeah, Friday we were watching this trade here, but stop loss was too big, 67 pip. It was a nice trade. Analysis played out perfectly. Price came down, but stop loss, because of the stop loss, couldn't take the trade. Let's wait. Let's wait for a nice retracement support to go back up. That's it.
Yeah, I'm back. Price retraced.
Yep. Price retrace. I'm gonna calmly, patiently wait for a nice structure to form above here on 30 minutes. That's all I need to see. I'm not gonna overthink here. Just wait for a nice structure to form on 30 minutes. That's it. That's all I need to see to take a trade.
Money sound.
Money sound. Money sound. Money sound. Money sound. Okay, so yeah, this candle is closing in 5 minutes, and nothing yet. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. This is a change in trend. Look at the structure. Change in trend. Right? At some point, the trend was bearish. Boom. Then we got this. Boom. Right? Now, we made a high. All we need is to wait for price to come down to create support here. Then we can push up. This is the next. This whole area is the change in trend. So that's all I need to see. A new structure here to push up. And this will be a higher probability for price to push up. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Spotlight. Oh, oh. Oh, this is interesting. Spotlight. Yeah, right here. Oh, I like this. I like it. I like the spotlight. Oh, we have good news on the market. So it looks like China also reduced the tariff. Oh man, wow. Wow. Yo, some people took this trade. Amal?
Yeah, I know. From the group.
Yeah.
Everything was there to execute.
Everything was there.
But price already moved a lot. That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Yo, someone was signaling a sell here. How is that a sell, man? You know Faizan? How is that a sell here? Okay, he's showing the trade he took.
Dominion markets.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a scalper.
He used to send analysis and...
Yeah, I know.
Okay, 30-minute candle just closed. And it looked like there is nothing happening yet. Price is ranging here and stuff like that. So we still have to wait. 10 a.m. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. But probably this was just the trade of the day. Because, yeah. Probably this was just a trade of the day. I think. Also today is Monday. Because if Amal said that this week down and broke later on, and it was a trade. We shall see. This is good. We are coming down. Are we gonna have a fake out?
Fake out.
Or support? The waiting. Century. Oh, base of weekly. It look like gold. Is gold going down? Oh, okay, yeah. Maybe it's possible that gold will go down. Oh, how can people call the top? Okay, price will double when it is at the top. Man. Yeah, it's possible for gold to push down this week. Look at the trading view. So gold is overextended on monthly, and we made a top wick push down. Maybe we are coming down, right? So this is the support. Maybe we are coming down somewhere here. So looking at the weekly, so weekly had a support here, and we are breaking the support to push down. So, but no top wick. It's possible for gold to push down. This is yeah, and on daily we have this area here. Daily is coming here. Okay, we need to see something below this area. Look at this structure, consolidation. If we break out from this zone, I think gold can push down. Gold can push down here. 18% drop. Price target 2,600. But we need the break. break and retest to push down. This is it. Yeah. This is it. But for today, weekly is down, daily pushing down. We are at the support here. Don't know. And what is H4 doing? So H4 candle is different here. So from here, yeah, I still think we are bullish for the day or for this session. We'll see. Oh, pound yen break. Okay, pound yen broke the high and we reached that 30 pip move. This was 10 a.m. 18 pip stop loss, 24 pip. We broke the high. What is the spread anyway here? Okay, 2.2.
Less than gold.
Yeah. Yeah, we broke the high. It was good. It was good. 18, 20 pip stop loss. Push up to fill the wick on the left side. What is going on US 30? Okay, US 30 daily is pushing up. Yeah, stock market is pushing up. How about this session? This session, same thing. US 30 is ranging on 1 hour, and I guess below here US 30 can well push down. A big move is coming. This is a consolidation. This is daily. Yeah, strong move up. And for this session, I guess probably we are pushing down. Probably we are heading down. Oops. Stop here. Yeah, USD. Someone is breathing at the mic. Are you managing a trade? Is that Amal? Is that you?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Yeah, Amal, US30, a break below here, US30 can push down, right?
Yeah, take a sell.
Take a sell. Yeah.
Break and close below is important.
Yeah. Break and close below here. It's very difficult to trade US30 on 30-minute time frame. I don't know who is trading US30 successfully. With SRC. Who is doing that? Mr. Amol.
What?
I don't know who is trading US30 successfully with SRC. I guess you need
I don't know. Only Q banks.
I guess you need to. No, I'm saying with SRC.
Using SRC, yeah.
Yeah.
No one is trading using SRC.
Because it's so difficult. On 30 minutes, you have those big candles. It's difficult to find an entry.
Big liquidity grabs.
Exactly. Difficult to find an entry. So.
Yeah, it will just stop you out and go in your direction.
Yeah. But the strategy should have a hedge. Maybe trading the higher time frame, but no. With a yeah, it's better to trade the lower time frame. Maybe the 5 minute. Crazy. Okay, let's come back to gold. Gold is the best one. The best of the best. The best of the best. Minute candle closed. Are we pushing down? It looks like a Shaquille scenario. Shaquille's scenario is coming. Rejecting. But as long as we are above this area, it is a buy for me.
Yes, gold is consolidating today. There is nothing on gold right now.
Yeah,
If you look at them, if you look at the M5 time frame, you can see the candles side by side.
yeah, it's consolidating
That's me.
because I think the trade was here today. This was a trade. This was a trade of today.
Yes, I was at the chart at the time, but I didn't took this trade because this was the fifth candle going up. That's
Exactly.
why I avoided it.
Also, when I took a quick look, Amol called me, took a quick look. I say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth candle. Yeah, maybe it's better to wait. But anyway, something can happen as well. You know, maybe the next candle can close above here to give a nice push. So
If you
it
look
was
the move from the
it,
bottom, this is around 250 pips move.
it was difficult in that sense, but the reason I think it was good is okay, base of 30-minute perfect, it was risky. But if you take it base of H4, you're basically taking the trade at the H4 area of value, you know, somewhere the break of this high. For that reason, I think we could have take this one. But and
But I
also
was expecting
we
expecting a
reject.
one bearish candle,
Yeah.
one
Also,
bearish candle, and that will be a lower wick on the
yeah,
new H4 candle.
that's the safest thing to do. And that's also why we are seated. That's the safest thing to do. But this one only experience, you know, to catch this move because H4 was good. H4 was good. This candle rejected. This candle closed bullish. This one made the bottom weekend break this high. Overall, it was good on 30-minute and 1 hour. So everything was here. But yeah, the safest thing, we did the safest thing. If nothing happened, no structure, I guess we are done for today. Oh, look at this. 30-minute cannot close above here. Next one break this high to push up. Amal can take another trade to make 3%, 4% today.
No.
No? Oh, you're not taking any more trade?
No. 30 can close below 32, 31.
32, 31? Ah, okay, you are waiting for fake out. So
Yes.
why do you think it is bearish?
I'm not thinking, I'm just comfortable for that range.
You are not comfortable in this range?
No.
Why?
Price already moved. No 30-minute structure is there.
15-minute is difficult.
Sell side is easy.
Yeah.
One hour is also losing volume slowly.
Yeah, this is one candle, 2, 3. This is the fourth 1 hour candle.
Yeah, very risky to take a buy here.
Yeah. Even on 1 hour, it was a good trade because it was a third candle. 1, 2. This was a third candle on 1 hour. And yeah, I guess this one was the trade of the day. Whoa. Are we pushing? It looks like something is cooking here. This 30-minute closing with volume here, I guess we can push up. Something is cooking here. We'll see. We'll see at 10:30.
Sell coming for retest of lows? No.
Yeah, for sell we need to break below this area. Break and close.
Look at the M15 time frame. If this candle closes like this, it will be in perfect impulse entry setup.
I'm not comfortable if 30-minute doesn't close below here. It can work, but I'm not comfortable with it. Anyway, I still think it is buys. This can close bearish and the next candle can close above here. And me, I can have my trade. So, which will be 11:30, right? 11:30-ish. That's the only thing I want to see. A structure here to push up. Because that analysis makes sense. Makes sense. Clean day. How about this week? So this week, Tuesday, we have CPI. Oh, CPI on Tuesday. So Amal, are we trading CPI?
No, no,
No. No. No, no, no. Wow. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, Wednesday, clean day again. Thursday, clean day again. Retail sales. And Friday, no clean day. Friday, we have news at 10 a.m. Okay. Yeah, pretty good week. Clean day every day. Except Friday. So second week of the month. This candle is closing in 2 minutes. What's going on? What's going on? 72 pips. I think today, even if I took this trade, I will have it will have been a break-even trade, because I will probably try to hold it to this area. But price already moved, so it was not wise to hold it. It was better to secure it. Oh, candle close. Okay, this is good. Candle close, and we have no entry here. I think this can be good. Okay. I think this area is good. Ten. Yeah, I think this is good, but the only thing is I don't execute on this entry yet. I don't execute on it yet. It's risky though. Maybe if we wick down and break, but yeah, it's pushing up. Same thing like Friday. It was good. Minute cannot close above. We start with no bottom wick. We broke these wicks. Stop loss down here, maybe 30 pips stop loss, and yep, I'm still watching this entry. This is where we are going to push up. Hello, coming down. Oh, okay. So break-even trade. Wick down and break. We have these wicks rejection. For a pip. Yeah. Risky. Just wait for 30-minute structure. That's the most safest thing to do. A candle coming down, make support. That's the most safest thing to do. The most safest thing. Oh, it's breaking again. Amal, don't take it. I see you. Don't take it. I see you, Mr. Amal. Don't take it. It's risky.
Very risky, very risky. 30 is just losing volume.
Yeah. Don't take it. Ratul. Yeah, I think the best thing is just wait. Wait for, like the initial idea, wait for a structure on 30 minutes. Wait for a structure on 30 minutes. So probably this was the trade of the day and we miss it. That's it. That's okay. Maybe the rest of the session will just range if we don't see that. But if we see a structure here, maybe we can have a move. So that's my conclusion. And I'm gonna stop the live here and see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining YouTube. Have a good rest of your days. Let's keep it simple, stay disciplined, and everything will be fine. All right? Tomorrow is another day. Bye, YouTube.